Okay, part two. You have already set up your Adobe Spark project. You've imported your photos. Now you're ready to record your voiceover. The biggest thing with recording your voiceover is to make sure you're in a quiet space so you don't have a lot of background noise. Great spot for this would be a closet, anywhere that has like padding to absorb the sound. Um, and don't worry, because in Adobe Spark, you can record your voiceover, and if it doesn't turn out well, you can re-record. Um, so you're ready with your voiceover. What you're going to do is you're going to decide which section of your voiceover you want to record for each photo. And then you're going to record your voiceover in sections. So you don't just say it all at once. You're going to just record the phrases that you want for each photo. So I've already done that. I've separated out my recording, my poem, and I'm going to start. So this is my first picture, this picture of the stump. So the first section of my poem is about this tree. And actually, I will record a part of a Shel Silverstein story for you because he is a famous poet. If you don't know him, look him up. He's a very famous children's book author. So here is my image. There's this red button when you click on your image. There's a little red button at the bottom. That's your microphone. You're going to record directly into your computer. So it should already be enabled where when you press that, it should be recording from your internal microphone from your computer. If it's not activated, it'll probably prompt you. Just select OK. So the way to record is you have to press the microphone and hold it down while you're saying you're recording. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to press it. And it starts right away. So oops, it already started. So I'm going to listen to it by hitting this button to play back. And it starts right away. So oops. Obviously, I don't want to use that. So what happens is you can re-record. So I'm going to press it again and get ready to, you're going to have to say you're recording right away. And make sure it doesn't sound like you're reading off the page. Try to like put some energy into it, depending on like the mood and tone of your piece. Here I go. Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my tree, and swing from my branches, and eat my apples, and play in my shade, and be happy." So that was my phrase that I was using for this photo. Your photo should probably not be on the screen any longer than 10 seconds. That's too long. Anything after that, your audience will get bored with looking at that photo. So if you find that you're recording your phrase for your photo and it's too long, you might want to break up that phrase and add more photos. So you can, again, play it back. Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my tree, and swing from my branches, and eat my apples, and play in my shade, and be happy." Okay, I like it. However, you heard that music in the background. I do not want that music in the background. It's not the music that goes with my poem. So the way that you can do that and change that is come up top to this menu up at the top and hit music and turn the sound off. Next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your music of your own. Okay, but make sure for now you turn it off so that when you play. Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my tree, and swing from my branches, and eat my apples, and play in my shade, and be happy." Then you don't have the music. Okay, so that's your first photo. Then you click on your next photo, and you record your next piece of narration. Remember, you can record as many times as you want. You just hit that microphone, hold it down while you're recording, and it should be there. Okay, so like here's my second, if this was going to be my second photo. Here's another Shel Silverstein poem. That's amazing, from his book Where the Sidewalk Ends. And so I would say, click and hold this mic. "This is not what I'd asked for. This is not what I'd planned. When I said, okay, you can bury me up to my neck in the sand." And then let go of the microphone when you're done recording. 7 seconds. So I imagine you're probably going to take a couple tries to get it right. Don't just go with the first thing that you have, and get it until you think the tone of your words sound good. "This is not what I'd asked for. This is not what I'd planned. When I said, okay, you can bury me up to my neck in the sand." Okay, so you heard I kind of cut off the last word. So just go ahead and listen to it each time and make sure that everything's good, and that you have no background noise. All right, that's that. Next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music.